Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you the basics on how um, to create a program that will input and display a number from a given number by the user using C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so let's begin. While I'm learning how to write a program in C programming language, every beginners or learners that are new in C, one of the basic obstacle or problem that a beginner may encounter is how to accept input a number in C. So here, this is very basic, So sharp includes stdio.h. This library file is for basic input-output in a C program. std means standard, io means input-output header file. Int main, it is the first function that is being executed and terminate when we run our C program. So every program in C, there should be a main function. We have here left curly bracket begin int num. Num is the variable that we declare, and then integer is a data type that we also declare that has a value of positive and negative number including 0. There are no decimal places in integer. Printf or print formatting new line, the title of our program, input and display a number in C. Printf new line, give a number in a variable num. Take a closer look, pointer decimal, %d if we are using data type of integer. New line, your given number, %d num to display new line here, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line, return 0. It will terminate and return to our operating system, and then right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our dev C++. I'm using this IDE to write and run our program. Go to execute, compile and run. Input and display a number in C. Give a number, let's say we have 78. Your given number is 78 and a program. Another example, let us run, let's say 51. Your given number is 51 and a program. Last example, 45. Give a number, your given number is 45 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Input and display a number in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and then most importantly, if you are new with my channel, please subscribe. Your support is highly appreciated from the bottom of my heart. You may support also my channel by Patreon. People here in the Philippines who would like to support, you can send your GCash, any amount will do to support my channel and also myself. Thank you so much in advance for your help. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.